Uncle Daddy's Soul Food, we in the building once again. On the menu today, beer can chicken. Let's go. Uncle Daddy's Soul Food, we in the building once again. If you haven't already done so, hit that like button and smash that notification button, and we'll notify you every time we drop a new video. On the menu today, beer can chicken. All gas, no brakes, we're going in. Once you have thoroughly cleaned your chicken, the next thing you want to do is to create a rub. Now the rub can consist of any type of ingredients or seasonings that you want, but you're going to have to place it on nice and thick, because when you marinate this bird for about 30 minutes, you're going to lose quite a bit of that seasoning. As you can see, these are the ingredients that I'm rocking out with tonight. I got some sliced onions, some fresh herbs, and some fresh garlic. Okay, now that we have the chicken thoroughly coated with our seasoning, we're going to marinate it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Alright, our chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes. Time to take it out. Now I'm going to re-season it a little bit. We lost a little bit during the marinating process. We're going to get this bad boy nice and seasoned. This is beer can chicken, of course, so you got to have your beer. I'm going to save this for later, of course. Okay, we got this bad boy seated. We're going to continue to stuff them with some peppers, some natural herbs, Look how pretty that color is. We have that bird thoroughly coated. What we're going to do next is we have our oven preheated to 395 degrees. We're going to let it rock out for maybe an hour, at least an hour 15, and it'll be done. Okay, our beer can chicken is almost done. As you can tell, I got a couple sides in there as well. Are you looking for quality kitchen equipment? Use the links that we provide in the video description box below. We'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may be awarded a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate it. I appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of today's video. If you haven't already done so and you're looking for more soul food recipes, do yourself a favor right now. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Uncle Daddy here saying eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.